through how to get $100 promo code on Lyft. So let's get started. So, first thing first, all you have to do is go to the Google web browser and in the search address bar, simply type in Lyft promo code or Lyft discount codes. This will bring up a list of sites offering promo codes on your screen. Now, all you have to do is go to a reputable coupon sites. These sites frequently update their promo codes, and you can often find Lyft discounts for both new and existing users. Once you find a valid code, all you have to do is copy it and head to your Lyft app. Under promos, in the settings section, paste the code and apply it before your next ride. You can see there are list of offers or off option available there. Simply choose according to your preferences, since $100 is quite rare to find in these public coupon sites. So all you have to do is look for the option which is valid for you and copy and paste it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.